Hello kids, let's learn how to draw shapes and colors name. Sky blue color, violet color, light pink color, blue color, red color, pink color, white color, light green color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, green color, black color. Let's draw shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon. Let's fill the colors. Brown color, triangle, light pink color, square, pink color, circle, orange color, hexagon, red color, heart, light green color, oval, green color, diamond, violet color, pentagon. Let's revise. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.